So the first thing you have to do is make sure the extraction's on. The extractor has to be on, as it says here. Then we can simply connect up the air, turn on the air, and the air will increase the tension on the belt, and now the belt tension. This is now, I put this down because earlier on I was just checking these fitting plates under here. It's really quite a good idea to make sure they stay nice and smooth under there to get a nice clean finish. So now I'm going up with the table, and as you can see, this is spinning round. That one underneath there is the actual hand turn. So it goes up. The digital readout kind of works, but it's not accurate, and I wouldn't use this machine just to do fine calculations or changes with the digital. Okay, so we're going up like this. We're going to stop about there for now. So our extractor is on. It has to be on to start this machine. And here's the start-up button. It's now going up. You watch the amps. The amps will move that way, and then the amps come back to here. So if you come around here, the machine's running. What I'm going to show you is how accurate it is if we take lines like this with a pencil. So now, we put it under there, and we bring the table up like this. Until we're getting quite close. There we are. Now it's stopped, but it's not running through. We can now run the table. Now we start the actual table itself. That's going through, but it's not cutting anything. So that's how we do our first set. As you can see from that, all the pencil marks are projected just begin to touch it. So now, use the digital, you can use the digital up table and just tiny cut. When you put your material through a very slight angle is better for the whole material than hit it square at once. And now it's not cutting. And if you go back to our pencil marks, as you can see, we're just beginning to take our pencil marks off in a nice even fashion. We've got those up before. We go up on the table one more bit. You can hardly hear that because it's hardly there. See, taken all the pencil marks off virtually, and it's all even, and it's full sandwich finish. If you want to do the manual turn, you just turn this anti-clockwise like this. 2 or 3 or 4 turns will take off a fraction of a millimetre, and I'll show you once again with the pencil marks. Yep. See the pencil marks. Going through, just here you'll see the amps change up here, look, you can get that on there, that's just one pass through the machine, and there you can see it's taking off the pencil mark, virtually disappeared in all places, but it's a really even, flat finish across the whole of the board.